MODENA Upright Freezer UF 2070M, preserving fresh food quality. It is built with 304 food-grade stainless steel, which is perfect for businesses like hotels, restaurants, and cafes. Its temperature is displayed with digital LED monitor for easier access, and it can be set from -10 to -20 degrees Celsius. Don't be afraid of forgetting to close the freezer doors, for it is equipped with self-closing doors to prevent food from melting. It has a magnetic gasket that keeps tight air circulation to stabilize temperature inside the freezer. The gaskets are removable for easier cleaning. To enable storing all sizes of food items, it is equipped with adjustable shelves which are easy to be moved and set. You can also store your food safely with its built-in lock. Both freezer doors can be opened by setting its door hook. Maintenance tips. Check the freezer periodically to avoid breakage. Check freezer condition before and after usage. Unplug the freezer before cleaning. Clean the freezer with damp cloth and non-abrasive detergents. Keep cleaning the freezer even when it's left idle, and store it in a ventilated room.